guys, hope you're all doing well. Niki here. The canvas today is a 12 by 16 inch and I loaded the spatula with my cell activator first and the colours on top, and I used way too much cell activator and that's why it's so pastel. It sort of swallowed all the colours, so you'll see the changes this goes through while I try and salvage it, because at the moment it's blah. Yeah, not nice. I'll try and torch it to see whether it will bring up any of the colours, but it's just a losing battle. So you'll see all the changes it goes through, and I'll put some music on and come back to you later. I meant to add all the colours will be listed in the description box below. It was a very impromptu painting session. I need to check on the colours, which colours that I used. I know I used TLP in Blue Eyes and Comet, so I'll need to check on the rest. To get to the description box, you can just click on the video title and it takes you straight there, and everything's listed: the colours, the brands, the mediums, link to my paint mixing video. There's a link to the Sheleeart E-Course and a 15% discount code, just everything in there. Okay then guys, and where to get the pigments from, this little Piggy pigments, the link is there for that as well. So I'll come back to you later.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 get the vibe that you're distant. There's something about you that's different. I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading on. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. It is a lie when you tell me that nothing is wrong, just leave it be. But I see it in your eyes. Something isn't right. Tell me again what I'm missing. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. I will make it right. I will make it right. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll. 'Cause you're fading out. We've been here before. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Don't go through that door. Tell me again, just tell me again, and I'll make it right. Tell me again. Tell me again.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong. What's on your troubled mind? There's one thing I want you to know.
So thanks so much for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. Please take care, stay safe, and like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.